Hi guys, Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom. At last, my voice works. Rapid profit machine. Now, I'm going to give you an insider's look into all the training that's included in this rapid profit machine, because you can get rapid profits. That's why it's called rapid profit machine. I'm inside the group at the moment. James Neville Taylor. Now it's on Warrior Plus. It works much better. You get commissions just like this, not like that. Just like that. Who is that an impression of? Not like that, just like that. Answers below, please. I'm no good at jokes. Anyway, you can get 100% recurring sales. Rapid Profit Machine is a free training. Here is the training. This is the email training. Look at how many, look at how detailed it is. Okay. Setting it up. Advanced features. Next steps. It's just got everything in there. It's got tags, segmentation, creating a list, the vocabulary that you need. It's all there. That's just one part of the training. Okay, that was the email marketing. The affiliate marketing basics. This is this. This is worth $1,000 in itself. This is free. Look, paid traffic versus free traffic. How to build a list. Using a bridge page. If you know what a bridge page is, it's when you put your email in, then you get a video review, so they get to know and like and trust you, and therefore boom, you get sales. It teaches you all of this. Okay. Facebook marketing. It teaches you how to build your brand on Facebook. Okay. The two types of Facebook groups, the profile funnel, how to set yourself up and brand yourself and attract people in, guys. I'm just on the email marketing mindset. Everybody knows that if you're not worthy and you're not, and you feel as though you're not worthy of earning that 1,000 to 10,000 a month, there is so much motivation here that if you do one a day, so my suggestion is do one of these a day and pick one of these. Okay, so the resource, you can buy traffic, you can promote Rapid Profit Machine, which is linked to Builderall, which is the #1 business in a box with 40 different tools. As you may know, I love it completely. You've got contests and prizes. You can get Opt-in Dojo, which is a advanced tracking. If you buy traffic, you will need to track. That's all I need to know. And mail reach is, do your emails go to spam? Are they landing in promotions? You can get them in the inbox. Okay. So products, there are RPM Pro. This is the upsell that I've got. It's $70 per month. So if you get one person in, you have got your money back. You get 100% profit and 100% profit. But the thing is, if you get 2 people in, come on guys, if you get 2 people in or 10 people in, if you get 10 people in RPM Pro, you get $700 a month. If they go into Builderall and that's $70 a month, how much can you earn with 10 people in Builderall? I'm not going to, it's exciting, it's amazing, and I'm actually going to stop there and say, click the link below. Get your Rapid Profit Machine training. There's TikTok training. There's everything in there. Tony Jones in the USA got 500 likes on his first TikTok video. Get your long link. It's quite a long funnel. I'm warning you now. There's lots of little things. if you just want rapid profit machine, no. Get your Warrior Plus link, pay the dollar, get it straight away, set up your funnel and start promoting it. How to promote it, I've just shown you. You can use James's done for you posts, or who wants the best training, affiliate marketing training. And you can put TikTok training, you can put solo ads training, you can put anything else training that you like, that you've done, that you know it's brilliant. And say, well, you get this as well. Click the link below, guys. You won't regret it. Make friends with me on Facebook. Join my Facebook group. Let's connect. I want to show you Builderall because it's like Christmas every day for me. See you on the next video, guys. Bye.